This is India 360, broadcasting live from the CNN IBM headquarters in New Delhi.
Good evening and welcome to India 360. Tonight, hope floats for the two babies cast away by their biological parents. One is now a millionaire family's bundle of joy, and hospitals have offered to treat the other little one born with an ailment. But it's not always a happy ending. The father of an abandoned 6-week-old baby with a congenital defect is back to claim him. Says they couldn't afford his treatment. Has healthcare in the country become unaffordable?
Parents return to claim their abandoned child and private hospitals offer free medical treatment. Is the future of the 22-day-old infant finally looking brighter? I am Simi Pasha and I'll bring you this report. From abandoned baby to millionaire heir, another baby deserted by his parents finds a home.
जैसे यशोदा ने कृष्ण को पाला था, ऐसे मैं भी यशोदा बनकर शिव को पालूंगी.
And this 22-year-old unmarried girl from Ghaziabad shows the way, comes to the rescue of a girl child left to die in a garbage dump.
From a garbage dump into the loving arms of a 22-year-old young girl. That's the journey of a little girl. I'm Divya Iyer and I'll bring you the story of Shraddha.
The story of the 6-week-old nameless baby abandoned by his parents in a Gurgaon hospital has taken a turn for the better. His parents showed up at the hospital this evening. They say they couldn't afford to treat the baby's congenital defect. Meanwhile, doctors at Delhi's Apollo and Fortis Hospital have offered free treatment for the infant.
Born to a poor family, suffering from a congenital heart condition. Abandoned at a hospital, the odds were stacked against this nameless infant. But now, after 10 days of fighting a lonely battle for survival, he can finally see his parents again.
मुझे पैसे की बहुत जरूरत थी. सो यहाँ पूरे गुड़गांव में जहाँ तक जो लोग मेरे अपने थे, कंपनी में थे, जिसे जितना मदद करना था, उन्होंने अपने तरफ से किया. उसके बाद पैसे की कोई जुगाड़ नहीं थी और खर्च बढ़ते जा रहे थे. इतने खर्च बढ़ने के कारण मैं अपने आप को इस शहर में संभाल नहीं पाया. मुझे घर के सिवा कोई दूसरा रास्ता दिखाई नहीं दिया.
Fortunately for the child, he will no longer need to pay the price for being born to poor parents. Delhi's Apollo and Fortis hospitals have offered to provide free medical treatment.
People in our hospital saw that and it was discussed and it was decided that we should be going all out to help this baby free of cost.
The child's condition is now stable and he will soon be moved to one of the two hospitals offering him free treatment.
While he may have almost lost his heartbeat, the plight of the infant got the heartbeat of hundreds of well-wishers going. He may have found his biological father today, but over the last 2 days, this little boy has found a family in the hearts of hundreds. In Gurgaon, Simi Pasha.
Now the tale of the other abandoned child. 2.5-year-old Shiv is truly Destiny's child. His parents left him in a rail compartment in Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh, but he is now part of a loving family. The Ahujas, without an heir to their family name and fortune, have adopted him.
This 2.5-month-old was known till Wednesday afternoon as just Shiv. Now he has a second name. He is Shiv Ahuja. From an abandoned newborn found in a rail compartment, Shiv is now the heir to the Ahuja's millions. His new family is ecstatic.
अब तो मैं समझता हूँ कि मेरे को मेरी जहाँ मिल गया है, मेरी बेटियों को उनका भाई मिल गया है.
शिव को देख के हमको लगता था कि नहीं वो हमारा बेटा बने. जैसे यशोदा ने कृष्ण को पाला था, ऐसे मैं भी यशोदा बनकर शिव को पालूंगी.
But the last 2.5 months were not easy for either Shiv or the Ahujas. He was found abandoned in a train at Madhya Pradesh's Khandwa station and taken to a hospital by a Good Samaritan. Then began a legal battle to adopt him between the Ahujas and the Gehlots, both millionaires. Both without an heir to their family name and their fortune, till it was settled Wednesday by a local court.
परिवार में कोई भी पुत्र संतान नहीं है. पुत्र संतान से मेरा परिवार से आशा स्पष्ट ये था कि इनके परिवार में जो 2 भाई हैं उनके यहाँ भी पुत्र संतान नहीं है. ऐसी स्थिति में इनके यहाँ अगर एक बालक शिशु को अगर दिया जाता है, अगर पुरुष बालक को अगर संरक्षण में दिया जाता है तो इनके साथ न्याय होगा.
The boy is now being given a full medical checkup in a local hospital. and his new family prepares a grand welcome for him when he finally gets home. With Manoj Sharma in Khandwa, HR Venkatesh.